Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. So today's video is going to be 2 different days of house projects. The first day we're going to be completely removing this outdoor bar, and then on the second day the contractor's coming to start putting the fascia on the house. We're going to rearrange some rooms. So I hope that you enjoy this video. So a few videos ago, I had said that we were thinking about completely removing this bar because it took up so much space. We never used it. It didn't really match the house anymore. So I asked your opinion on if we should remove the bar or keep it. And I said that if we removed the bar, we would do a huge table right here that could seat like 10 to 12 people. And we would use that way more than we would ever use this bar. And 100% of all the comments said to remove the bar. So that kind of confirmed what we were thinking, to just completely remove this. So we went on ahead and did this today, and as we were removing it, we were just so glad that we were taking this down. As you can see, it was just disgusting under this bar. I won't go into detail what all we found underneath of those speakers, but it was just very gross, and we were so glad to just get all of this off of the porch. And we were able to save about 90% of this wood for a future project, so that was awesome. We're thinking of building the boys a playhouse out back underneath the pine trees, so a lot of this wood is going to work out perfect for that. Here I'm showing you just how bad the back of that bar looked. It was all just kind of hacked together, and at this point Jalen kept on saying, why did we not take this thing down sooner? It's so ugly. It was a really neat idea for this back porch, but yeah, it just needed to come down. And taking all this down really didn't take that long. It probably only took us a little over 2 hours to completely remove the bar and haul all of the wood out of here. When we're doing big projects like this on the house, sometimes they can take several hours or several days. So we like to have stuff to listen to, whether it be music, podcasts, audiobooks. When we were doing the workout room transformation, that took a long time, and we were able to listen to an entire audiobook. It really helped to pass the time, especially when we were painting and stuff. And one of our favorite places to listen to audiobooks, podcasts, different things like that is Audible. I've got the Audible app on my phone, and it's just really easy to turn on an audiobook or a podcast. And Audible has got so many different options on there to pick from, especially with their all new Plus catalog that we've been trying out lately. They've got thousands of select audiobooks, podcasts, Audible originals, guided fitness and meditation programs, sleep tracks for better rest, and more. And Audible members get 1 credit every month, which is good for any title in the entire premium selection of bestsellers and new releases, regardless of price, to keep forever. And Audible is sponsoring today's video, which we're so incredibly grateful for. Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment and audiobooks ranging from bestsellers and new releases. And the Audible app is free and can be installed on all smartphones and tablets. You can listen across devices without losing your spot. So if you want to try out Audible, you can visit audible.com/happyhome or text happyhome to 500-500 to start exploring Audible with a free 30-day trial now. Once we had the bar completely removed from the porch, then we just swept it all off, and it needs a good pressure washing now. After we pressure wash it, you won't see where the bar used to be there on the bricks anymore. And we're just gonna put our little table over here until we get that bigger table that we're hoping to get this spring. Good morning, everyone. So this morning, some of the contractors guys are coming to put a metal fascia cap on the front of the house, and they're also bringing with them all of the metal fascia for the rest of the house that finally came in the mail that we had ordered. So the contractors guys are only going to be installing the 1 fascia cap, and then Jalen will be installing all of the rest of the fascia on the outside of the house. So he'll be working on that over the next 2 weeks here now that we've got all of the fascia at the house. So before the contractors guys get here, we're going to be doing a little bit of room switching here this morning. Right now I'm standing here in the spare room, and if you watched the previous video, I completely decluttered and organized this room, got it all cleared out, and now I'm going to make this room into the YouTube office. And the room that's currently the office over on the other side of the house is going to turn into more of a family media room. But before we officially make this room the YouTube office and that room over there a family media room, I want to move all of my office, YouTube, computer, all that kind of stuff into this room and just have it in here for about like 2 weeks, just to be sure that I'm really going to like having the office over here before we order furniture and make it all official. So we're gonna work on getting all of that moved over into this room, and then work on cleaning up that other room over there on the other side of the house because it's looking crazy right now. We want to go through and get it organized and clean so that it's ready to go when we order furniture and we start transforming that room. So after we do that, I'll show the footage of the contractors working on the outside of the house, and I'll show you guys all of the metal fascia and everything. So I hope that you enjoy the rest of the video. I don't think we're going to go to all the trouble of unattaching this desk from the wall and trying to haul it back there. I don't know how we would get it back there to start with. Because if I do end up keeping that room as my office, I want to get a new desk anyway. So we're just going to take this white desk back there and set it up temporary. for those of you wondering where this room is at, it's right down the hallway from our master bedroom. Okay, so here is the little temporary office setup. We're going to just use this as an office for the next 2 weeks. Be sure that we like it before we go and order furniture and everything to furnish both of these rooms to make that one over there a family room and this one the official office. So we've just got this simple white table, my chair here, and then just the basic things that I need there on the desk. I put this little tree here in the corner for greenery, and I got this little basket last week from Ross, and we still have to add blinds and curtains to this window in here, but we'll do that once we completely finish the room. So if this all works out, I already picked out the 2 desks that's going to go along this wall. So they're both 71-inch desks, and they're literally going to fit perfectly along this whole back wall. And then I'll do some type of accent on this back wall with floating shelves and different things like that. And I think it's perfect for an office because it's a really small room. It's got carpet, so it's really cozy in here. And when you shut the door, it's really quiet and just perfect for voiceovers. Jalen's gonna replace the light up here. Took it down to go put it in the master bedroom. Yeah, and then he bought a new one for in here. Okay, so we are just gonna roll up this rug and trash it. I've had this rug for years and it is so stained and matted. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it has seen its final days. It's time for this to go, and we'll put a new rug in here.
It's like, oh my goodness, it's so brown.
As we pull this out, we're thinking, why did we not pull this out sooner? Because it looks so disgusting and brown. I guess we just didn't really
realize how brown it was.
That was that gross. We've had this thing for 3 years. Okay, so we got this cleared out as much as we could for now. So the plan in here is to do a little sectional right here that kind of comes across this way and goes along the wall. And then over here on this wall, we'll have a little media console and then a big screen up here on the wall, maybe some curtains on the window. And then Jalen will be moving all of his computer stuff over to this wall on this side, so his desk and computer stuff will be in between this window and that corner. I may do some curtains on this window as well. And then in this space right here, we want to put a little bit bigger foosball table because we really have been having fun playing foosball, and it's also fun when people come over, so we want to do a little bit bigger table. This is kind of a smaller version, and I'll put a little bit smaller rug in between that sectional and the screen media console over here. So we're really excited to get this room finished here, hopefully in the next month or so. We'll just see how long it takes furniture to get here and stuff. And also we need to make sure that we like having that office over there in the other room. And then over here is where the bigger foosball table will go. We've got a closet back there. And through this door, this goes into the laundry room. There's a little bathroom over there. And then to the left here is the door that goes outside. Okay, so it is freezing outside right now. It's going to get down to like 20 degrees tonight, so I'm gonna make this really quick, but I wanted to bring you outside and show you the metal fascia cap that the Contractor's guys put on the outside of the house. Okay, it's a little bit windy. I hope that doesn't affect the mic, but like I said earlier, all that they did was this fascia cap here at the front, and then Jalen is doing all the rest of the fascia on the house. So over there to the left, you can see that all needs fascia. All they did today was this cap here on this square part of the house. So like you saw earlier today, they pulled off that old metal cap that was up there and they put on this new one. This metal fascia is the same color as the carport doors. And then here at the front porch, we are going to be doing some metal beams. I don't think we're going to be doing a pergola here anymore. We're just kind of starting to get away from that idea and thinking that we're just going to do a big beam that's going to sit right on top here. So it's going to sit on top of the stucco wall and go all the way across to the top of that other stucco wall. And then we'll probably have probably three beams coming down right here. So it will just kind of be a nice wood accent to the front of the house. So they brought that metal fascia cap around and stopped it right here at this roof. And this is the only part of the house that's getting a cap type fascia like that. The rest of this front porch is just getting regular fascia, and then we'll be doing some rain gutters on the front porch as well because the rain really puddles here on the front porch. So yeah, the metal fascia cap is complete. Nothing too exciting, but it's just all part of the renovation and just finishing up the outside of the house here. And it probably only took them about 2.5 hours to put that fascia cap on this morning, but I just wasn't able to bring the camera out here and show you the finished product until this evening because we had family here this afternoon. Okay, so Jalen stacked all of the metal fascia out here right beside the quad. This will be enough fascia to do all of the rest of the house, and like I said, Jalen's going to be doing all of this himself. And this fascia is in a charcoal color. I think it was from Mueller Metal, and this is a leftover piece from that cap. That's why it's kind of beat up, but the rest of this is covered in a plastic film so that it won't get beat up before he puts it on. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope that you enjoyed it, even though it was a lot of different random things combined into one video, but it's just fun to do a video like this every once in a while just to kind of break things up, do something a little bit different. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye.